Good morning everyone. This is another session on banking and we will be discussing about green banking. Now first of all, what do we mean by green banking? Now green banking was a concept which was introduced by many of the banks, and basically it means that saving papers and things like that. And so it basically encourages the use of online transactions, and green banking refers, or is a term which is referred to using online transactions more, so that you avoid the use of paper and in a way save the tree. And that's why the term green banking is used. Now next, what is basis point? Basis point is nothing but it is defined as 1/100th of 1%. So that means one basis point will be 0.01%. So this is nothing but 0.01%, which is nothing but 0.01 of 100. So that is what we mean by basis points. Okay, the next concept is teaser loan. Now teaser loans are also gaining a bit of name, and they basically mean, and the name itself suggests, basically what happens is in this type of loan, the initial amount or the initial loan rate is quite less, and what happens, gradually the loan rate keeps increasing as time progresses. So that's what is meant by teaser loan. Initially the rate on the loan is very less and gradually it keeps increasing. Now further, what is demand and time liabilities? Basically liabilities refer to a term in which means that you're liable to payment or you are liable to give back some amount. So that is what we mean by liabilities. When you have to return an amount based on a demand, that's called demand liabilities, and they can include many of the things like mail transfer, telegraphic transfer, demand drafts, etc. Whereas time liabilities is the things which you have to return, because liable means you're supposed to return, and they include current deposits, fixed deposits, cumulative deposits. Fixed deposits and cumulative deposits, things like that, because you have to return them after some time. So that's why they are referred to as the time liabilities. So hopefully you understood few more concepts, and please do subscribe to my channel. There are many more things coming up. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.